Hello, students. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Math Maverick. This is my first video. So, we start with class 10th mathematics, first chapter, real numbers. We have exercise 1.1. First questions, first part is find HCF of 135 and 225. So, in this question, we have simplified the method by stepwise. First step, we put the bigger number forward, like 225 we put before equal to 135. Then we have divide 225 by 135. So we have the quotient 1 and remainder 90. Now we have found the bigger number 135 and smaller number 90. Then second step, we put 135 forward and divide 135 by 90. So we have quotient 1 and remainder 45. Now in last step, we have 90 put forward and divide by 45. So it is divisible by 2 and remainder 0. When we get remainder 0, then we get the value of HCF. So remainder is found 0 by the number 45. So HCF of both the numbers in the question is 45. Understand? Now next part is same. Found the HCF of 196 and 38,220. So we have to divide the bigger number by smaller number in first step. So divide by 196, we have quotient 195 and remainder 0. So in single step, we found the HCF is 196 of both the numbers. Now in third part, we have two numbers 867 and 255. So in both the numbers, we found the HCF. First, we have to divide 867 by 255. So when we divide it, we found the quotient 3 and remainder 102. So now we have 255 the bigger number and 102 the smaller number. So next step, we divide 255 by 102. So we have quotient 2 and remainder 51. Now we put 102 forward in third step and divide by 51. So it is divided 2 times and remainder 0. So when we found remainder 0, that is our HCF, means 51. In this case, the HCF of both the numbers given in the question. Now the second question is, we have to prove that any odd integer is denote as 6 cube plus 1, 6 cube plus 3 or 6 cube plus 5, where q is some integer. So for proving that, let a be any positive integer. So we have to write a equals to 6 cube plus r, where q is greater than equal to 0 and r is equal to 0 to 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because r is between 0 and 6, not more than 6, not less than 0. So we have to put first r equals to 0, then 1, then 2, 3, 4 and then 5. Now we divide these numbers in two different parts. So 6 cube plus 1 written as 2 into 3, 6 plus 1. So 3 cube we let k1 as k1 is an integer, and same 6 cube plus 3 as 2 multiply 3q, 2 multiply 3q plus 2 plus 1. So we have to take common in both. We take common 2 outside. So we have 3q plus 1 plus 1. So let whole 3q plus 1 as k2 in another integer. Then 6q plus 5. So 6q plus 4 plus 1. So take common in two numbers, 2 outside. So we have 2 into 3q plus 2 plus 1. So let 3q plus 2 k3 as new positive integer. Now we have clearly all our equations are in the form of 2k plus 1. So it is 2k plus 1 means it is not divisible by 2. Means all are odd numbers. Your 2k plus 1 is given, then not divisible by 2. So this denotes that all are odd numbers. Therefore, any odd integer can be expressed as 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 5. Again, you see that first we take 6q plus r, then take r 0 to 5, then we take different values of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we take 6q plus 1 as 2, 3q plus 1, k1 plus 1. Then 6q plus 3, 2, 3q plus 2 plus 1. So take whole 3q plus 1 as k2. And again whole 3q plus 2 as k3. So in these all numbers, it is form of 2k plus 1 means not divisible by 2 means all are odd numbers. Because in even number, it is compulsory to divisible by 2. So then we have prove that any odd integer can be expressed as 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 5. Understand? Then the third question is, any army contingent of 616 members is to march behind an army band of 32 members in a parade. The two groups are to march in the same number of columns. What is the maximum number of columns in which they can march? So in this question, we have to find the HCF of both numbers, 616 and 32. So same step as in the first question, we put the bigger number forward, 616 divided by 32. So we have the quotient 19 and remainder 8. Now 32 we put forward in second step and divide by 8. So we have the quotient 4 and remainder 0. So at the case of remainder 0, we have the HCF is 8 because by divide by 8 we have found the remainder 0. The HCF is we found 8. Therefore, they can march in 8 columns each. Answer. Understand? Thank you so much for watching. Bye.